Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Shrivastava. Now today we have to continue the next lecture of macroeconomics class 12th day 2. So let's go. So now today we have to discuss the classification of goods and services. So if we talk about the classification of goods and services, so goods are mainly defined in two types: economic goods and non-economic goods. Economic goods have a two type: final goods and intermediate goods. And again, final goods defined in two types: consumption goods and capital goods. So there is no need to discuss about the non-economic good, because the non-economic good not involved in the economic activity, so we have to only concentrate on the economic goods. So now just we have to clear about the definition of final goods, intermediate goods. So now this is the definition for the final goods and intermediate goods. Final goods and services sold to the ultimate users, like cotton shirts. Intermediate goods and services are purchased for further reprocessing and resell. In one line we can understand that final goods are ultimate use for the final consumption, and intermediate goods are still in the process of reproduction or production. So we can understand this by picture example. This is the picture example of final goods and intermediate goods. Shirt are the final goods and fabric items are intermediate goods. One more example we have. So next we have to differentiate between the intermediate goods and final goods. And this is the description here. Used for the production of intermediate good, used for the production of other goods and services, and final goods used for the final consumption. You can note down from here, but one most important thing is here, point is here, that value of intermediate good is not included in national income, and value of final good is only included in the national income. So if we talk about the example, so cotton yarn is a intermediate good, and shirt, which is made by the cottons and all the fabric items, is included in the final good. So now we have the next is final goods are differentiated in two types: capital goods and consumer goods. If we talk about the consumer goods, so again we have two types of consumer goods: durable goods and non-durable goods. So this is the description describe about the consumer good and capital good. Consumer good sold to the people for their own uses, and capital goods used by the business to make consumer good and other capital goods. So this is a picture example here. Consumer good is video game system. Capital goods is any types of machine which is used for the in process of production is capital goods. Durable and non-durable goods. Consumer goods are two types: durable and non-durable good. If we talk about durable goods that are consumed are quickly disposed of and can be used for several years. In simple, we can say that durable goods are used for the several years, and non-durable goods is single use goods. We can use only single times. So this is the non-durable goods, which have the durability is very short. So this is all about today. Thank you. In next lecture we will discuss about the stock and flow, intersector flow, and circular flow of income. Thank you.